Spiderman with a 1200 mAh battery. I was going to wear my Invictus Spiderman watch, but I left it in the house. I forgot about it. I like it. My wife got this for about $6. There's one dude kind of bashing it, but
Welcome back,
Spiderman. I'm in mode 3.
Spider drone is now operational. Manual flight mode engaged.
I binded my Hubsan H107D, the cobalt blue one, to my Hubsan H105 standard. Well, it ain't a standard FPV remote, and lost that sucker today and had to go woods digging. Let's see what we can do here. See if we can do something with a tad bigger battery. It's gonna get about 15 minutes flight time. She got some power too. It's for a Skyviper, and this is actually who sells some of those drones that people like. Now watch it. I like this.
Auto flight mode engaged.
Go right to auto flight mode. Spider-Man, nobody knows who you are. I like this one because it ain't got no camera on it. I don't really care about one with a camera on it. Not really. They're alright. Now watch this to see.
Manual flight mode engaged.
He can be a little tricky. There's so many weeds and hornets out here. I don't want to. When I get out of the field, I'm gonna fly the crap out of it. I done a no-no yesterday. I flew about 5 packs back to back in this thing. I wanted to see if it was gonna tear up. I didn't want to. When it does, I'm gonna put those black motors they put in those upgraded versions. I'm just gonna say that it's Dark Motors Edition. I can't remember the name of the drone they used to put them in, but they are a little bit more RPM, and they're probably 8520. I don't know what's in here. They used to make an 8.250 too that used to come in the first Hubsans. They'd eat batteries, but big googly goop, they'd fly like crazy. Now the 8.520 is the standard for some of them. And then they even got the 7.0s in them. 7.0s is turning out to be a good motor. They was one of the first ones that was into Simas. But this Spiderman, I think, is pretty tough. Just an oddity. You know, just something crazy, shelf clean. If you stay on the stick too much, it'll falter, but let's see, let's go to...
Auto flight mode engaged.
A lot of people don't like them because it's got undercarriage blades, which is a downfall for some of the larger drones. If you don't watch it, this one here will keep climbing. But look at her. I ain't trimmed it out or nothing. Let's see. She's holding pretty good. Well, they waltz like crazy here. Bees is at her, look. They said boy bees attack drones and stuff now they trying to mate. Hope I killed the battery. Oh, we got weed bound.
Manual flight mode engaged.
Skyviper. That's what I got in it. The 1200 mAh Skyviper battery from Walmart. They was like $10, and I got it. It was on sale for $6.99. I wish I'd have got more than one, cause it is perfect for Spiderman here.
Manual flight mode engaged.
Watch the Spiderman. Uh-oh, got a bump on the wing. Uh-oh, something don't sound right. Motor's hot too. Ooh, I clipped the wing. I clipped the prop.